Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. We have to fill in the blanks if the pair of linear equations 4x plus 5y equal to 6 and m minus 1 whole bracket x plus m plus n whole bracket y is equal to twice m minus 12 have an infinite number of solutions, then the value of m and n we have to find out. So it is given that 4x plus 5y equal to 6, this is the first equation, and m minus n whole x plus m plus n whole y is 2m minus 12. Let this be second equation, or we can write it like this also. If we divide first equation by 6, this can be written as this. So this become a new equation, let's say third. And another equation, if we divide by 2m minus 12, why we are doing this? Because we are making the constant term same. So after making the constant term same, we'll obtain these two equations, let's say 3 and 4. So now these two equations have infinite number of solutions, means the coefficient of x and y should be same because we have already made the constant term equal. Now equation 3 and 4 have infinite number of solutions, it is given. So let us equate the coefficients of x and y. So if we equate coefficient of x, we'll get this relation, and after simplifying it, we'll get a relation between m and n. So this is the relation obtained. M plus 3n is 24. Let this be fifth equation. Now m plus n by 2m minus 12. This is the coefficient of y we are equating. So if we simplify, we'll get this relation. Or further simplifying, the final equation in m and n will get this sixth equation. Now let us add equation 5 and 6. So after adding equation 5 and 6, what we'll get is, we can see 3n plus 3n and minus 3n gets cancelled, and 2m plus m is 3m. So 3m is 30 plus constant term is 24. So from here 3m is 54 and m is 18. Therefore n can be written as 24 minus m by 3. This we have used from equation 5. So substituting the value of m as 18, we can get the value of n as 2. Therefore m is 18 and n is 2. So this is the answer.